You know, the check mark on the success of the program. Anytime you're taking more than 6 or 7, you know, this year we have a group of 9 going. We have, you know, a diver, and we have, you know, 8 swimmers. And four of those girls made it by themselves. We're able to do relays there. It's a recipe for a more successful year. So, and we measure our success by, you know, how we do at the NCAA championship. So, the more individual opportunities and relay opportunities we have to score points there and get our higher ranking, the better.
I'm so excited that we have like so many people, like girls on our relay this year. So, I didn't make it last year, so this will be new for me too. So I'm stoked.
I'm really excited to go with all the girls. This is the biggest NCAA team we've had, and to go with these girls is just going to be really exciting, and we're just going to have a blast.
I mean, like when you have like 4 people like cheering behind the block with you, you know, like it brings like that much more intensity and that much more fun. So, I mean, now that we have like 3 relays going, I'm excited.
Well, I think we just look at last year. If you look at like Tiff, it was Tiff's first time, and it was Pepper's first time, and now they're going back to try and score. So that's the difference, is that, you know, you take it in, it's the fastest meet in the world, it's the deepest meet, it's the most brutal. You make one mistake and you slip like 10 spots. So you learn a lot, you grow up quick, and it provides the incentive to train real hard in the summer and the fall to be able to perform even better next year.